Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus to reach Do Not Disturb. Once there, make sure Driving or Car Detection is visible. This is the mode that silences alerts while you drive. Next, tap Driving to open its options. You're doing this so your phone can automatically limit distractions when motion and car Bluetooth suggest you're driving. Set up now so the phone can act without asking every trip. This reduces manual switching and keeps notifications off while you're behind the wheel. Once you tap Driving, pick how it turns on. Automatically uses motion and Bluetooth when connected to car triggers via car Bluetooth or manually keeps control in your hands. Then customize the auto reply. Choose Everyone, Recents, Favorites, or No One, and edit the message so contacts know you're driving. Make sure to review allowed notifications so critical calls or navigation alerts still come through if required. Adjusting these options balances safety with access to essential information while driving. To finish, add Driving to Control Center. Open Settings, Control Center, then tap the plus by driving so you can toggle it quickly. Test the setup by connecting to your car's Bluetooth or taking a short drive. Confirm notifications are silenced and auto-reply sends. If it doesn't activate, reboot your iPhone, confirm iOS is up to date, and recheck focus permissions. Sometimes resetting the driving focus and re-adding it fixes stubborn issues. That single troubleshooting step resolves most activation problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.